Okay, it is time for some more nerd time. So I'm still here again with the xTool F2 Ultra UV. Ain't doing anything with the regular F2 Ultra right now. Just saw a posting on the Facebook group for the owners asking about doing towels with the UV, and they're doing different things. Someone asked about titanium dioxide on my F1 Ultra during our fall harvest carnival, or what do you want to call it, a carnival. I do different things every year. Last year I actually did tile engravings on different types of tiles, including ceramic tiles, and I used titanium dioxide. So here's what I did. It was a formula of titanium dioxide and alcohol, quick drying, and I was able to do it. All I had to do was just wipe it off or wash it off. Did good. So I want to do a caveat emptor on this. These towels are dual. So on the shiny side, it actually has a coating for sublimation, because right behind this camera here is my sublimation heat press, the HTV Ront. And the back side is meant for laser engraving, and that's the side I did this on, the non-shiny side. I have not tried it on a shiny towel, so I just want to make that very clear. But it does work, at least on the non-shiny side. I just want to be very clear on that. So let's go ahead and see what the results are. I've already pushed it over. I just went and found a file on Atom. I was going to use a file that I made the other day, and I just want you guys to see that it can work on the towels. If I find a shiny towel or regular towel, I'll give it a try. I just used them all up on another laser long time ago, long time ago, when I used the Norton method. So that's all we got. So let's get to it, and I will keep this open so you can get to see it all. I got my glasses here. These are UV rated, so from 190 to 490, so they're within the spectrum. Today, or at least at some point, I'm supposed to be doing this for the P3, along with some other stuff, but I keep seeing stuff, and I'm supposed to do a video a day, so safety is paramount. Now you can start. Okay, that's all she wrote. And we're all done. At this point, you're going to go, well, what does she look like? I'm going to say, we'll see. So the reason I'm picking this up with this paper towel is it gets a little sticky, and I already got some on my hands. So this does need to be washed off, but so far this is what it looks like. And I didn't use a high DPI or anything. I just used some generic settings that were in there. I haven't dialed this in. Matter of fact, I'll be nice to you. I'm going to go ahead and wash it off so you can kind of see what it looks like a little bit better. Let me go ahead and wash this off for you, and you get to see the final result. And yeah, hold on one second. Okay, here is the final result. Non-shiny side, pretty low DPI. I did it 200 DPI, which was the suggested setting. I don't even think right now they have a tile setting for the UV. So yeah, comes out okay. I probably need to head down to Lowe's or Home Depot and get some more towel, and then I can really see what it looks like, see if it really works. I just want to let you know that the titanium dioxide does work, at least on that side. It should work on the other side just like it does with the diode and the CO2 and everything else, because I've used it on those. Okay? Bam, and we're out.